Learn to design this pasta cup in Ondsel. Create a sketch with this button. Select the XZ plane. Select the polyline tool. Start on the origin by clicking on it. Then draw the following shape. Click left mouse button each time you want to create a new line. And at the origin by clicking on it. Right-click twice to exit the tool. Select these two lines while holding Ctrl. Then click this button to make them equal. Select the Dimension tool. Click this line and add a distance. Do the same with this line. Finally, add a distance to the short line. Click close to exit the sketch. Now select the Revolution tool. Click OK to apply. Create a sketch on the XZ plane. Select the Polyline tool. Then draw this closed shape. Select the Dimension tool. And add a distance. Also add this distance. Select this vertex to position it from the origin. Right-click to exit the tool. Select these two vertices and the axis in this order. Then add a symmetrical constraint. Click close to exit the sketch. Select the Pocket tool. Select through all and symmetric to plane. Click OK to apply. Consider subscribing if you like my content, thanks. Click the inside bottom face. And select the chamfer tool. Enter a size and click OK. Click the outside bottom face and add a chamfer. Enter a size and click OK. Now create a new sketch. Select the bottom plane. Select the Rectangle tool. Click, drag and add the dimensions. Also add this symmetrical constraint. You can drag a sketch to a different position. Select the first feature and press spacebar. The chamfer made the outer edge invisible. Select the Dimension tool and then this vertex. Click and enter the dimension. Select the Pocket tool. Select through all. Also check reversed, because it's cut to the upside. Click OK to apply. Select the Pocket feature in the tree. Then click the Polar Pattern button. Here you can select the reference axis. Enter 20 occurrences and click OK. Another 3D printable model has been finished. Also check out my other channel for all my 3D printing projects and tutorials. Get commercial access to all my 3D files here to sell 3D prints. And have a look at my website where everything comes together. Thanks for watching. Also check out my other videos and channels.